One more questions from the chapter Respiration. Let us go into the questions. The first question is, why do we get choking sometimes while eating the food? Because while eating the food, due to the entry of food into the air tract, we choke to throw them out. It is shown in this GIF. When the food enters into the respiratory tract, it gets irritated and we choke and throw them out. Let us go into the next question. After vigorous exercise, we feel pain in the muscles. Why? After vigorous exercise, there will be an accumulation or formation of lactic acid due to the anaerobic respiration. Because while doing vigorous exercises, we do not breathe, we hold our breath. Hence, the anaerobic respiration takes place as per the requirement. Due to the anaerobic respiration, the lactic acid is accumulated in the muscles. It leads to the pain. The next question. It is observed that the percentage of carbon dioxide in exhaled air is more than the inhaled air. Why? Because carbon dioxide that is diffused from the blood capillaries into the alveoli is sent out through the exhalation. Hence, the carbon dioxide levels will be more than the inhaled air. The next question. Write the process chart to show the events or steps in the respiration. There are several steps involved in the respiration, beginning with breathing. It involves both inhalation and exhalation. The next stage is gaseous exchange at lungs levels. Next one is gaseous transport by the blood. The next stage is gaseous exchange at tissue level, and finally the cellular respiration. These are the events that take place in respiration. Next question. Why Janus green bee is used in this experiment? The Janus green bee solution is used in this experiment to find out are there any traces of oxygen in the solution. It is a blue colored solution. If it gets into light pink color, it means that there is very little amount of oxygen which can be negligible. The next question is, why do the roots of mangroves develop the aerial roots? What is the need of mangroves to develop the aerial roots? The answer is, the mangroves grow in marshy or waterlogged habitats where there is no sufficient oxygen available in the soil for the roots. So, for the roots to get the respiration takes place, it develops the aerial roots. The next question is, why the germinating seeds are taken for the experiments related to the respiration? Because the rate of respiration is very high in germinating seeds. The next question. What may happen if epiglottis is removed? If epiglottis is removed, the food may enter into the respiratory tract and sometimes it may lead to the death. Because the epiglottis is a flip-like wall that arrests the entry of food into the air tract. The next question. What if the walls of alveoli are multi-layered? Actually, the walls of alveoli are the single layered. What happens if it is multi-layered? If it is multi-layered, gaseous exchange does not take place properly as per the requirement, because it takes a lot of time for the gaseous exchange. The next question is, identify the parts indicated as X and Y in this diagram. So, this is the diagram that indicates the gaseous exchange at lungs level or alveoli. The part which is indicated as X is alveolus and which is indicated as Y is the blood capillary.